Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is 12-hour clock subtraction. So now open this question. Given two positive integers num1 and num2, subtract num1 from num2 on a 12 hours rather than a number line. Note, assume the clock starts from 0 to 11 hour. Now see first example. So the num1 and num2, num1 equals to 7 and num2 equals to 5. Num1 minus num2 is 2. So the time in 12-hour clock is 2. So now see second example. Num1 equals to 5 and num2 equals to 7. So the subtraction of these two, num1 and num2, so minus 2, the time in 12-hour clock is 10. So now we find the subtraction of num1 dividing by modulo operator, get the remainder. So sub equals to num1 modulo 12 minus num2 modulo 12. Now we will check if sub is less than 0. Sub is less than 0, then we will add in sub. Sub equals to sub plus 12. Then we will return sub. Otherwise we will return sub. So now again compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.